Anin Buju band members, today is Wednesday, January 27th. Starting off with the COVID updates for the counties. In Aiken County, yesterday 1,116, and today no change. Now that's the first time. Crow Wing, yesterday 4,911, and today 4,914. Mille Lacs County, 2,161, and today 2,165. In Pine County, yesterday 2,708, and today 2,715. On the reservation, no change. District and District 2A combined, 104 confirmed cases. That has not changed for the last couple of days. Very good news. And also good news in District 2, no change. There's been 10 positive and that hasn't increased. District 3, there has been 35 positive and there has been no change. So those are all good numbers that they haven't increased. So I'm happy to see that, and I hope we continue with that. And the best way to do that, of course, is to do social distancing, washing of your hands, and making sure that you always wear your mask. And hopefully, as elders get the opportunity to get the vaccine, we will see less of the positive cases as well. So that's good news for us. Today, I attended the band assembly meeting, and out of the band assembly, there came 2 resolutions. One of the resolutions is for the corporate ventures to continue funding their operations. And there were also 3 appropriation bills, and that has to do with any kind of grants or if there's any budget changes or things of that sort. Those bills are still at the band assembly office, and until they come to my office to be signed into law, I just wanted to make sure that you were aware that that was going on. Also, if you have the opportunity to attend the band assembly meetings, it is being shifted to more of a very formal way of conducting meetings. I want to say thank you to our Secretary Treasurer Sheldon Boyd and our district representatives, Virgil Wynn, Marvin Bruno, and Wally St. John, that there's a lot of work that gets done. They have pre-band assembly meetings where they go through all of the information and get the numbers corrected, questions answered. And then on the regular band assembly meeting, that individuals are able to comment on the item being proposed. So it's a very efficient way of running the band assembly. And this is the first time in my history that I've seen band assembly run so efficient and organized and getting a lot of work done. And also I was on a women's leadership called Twin call last night, and we are looking at how the new Biden administration is moving forward with appointees and hiring people. And one of the individuals that joined the call was Heather Dawn Thompson, and she is the Director of Tribal Relations for the USDA. And she talked about there's a lot of opportunity for Indian tribes that they're not aware of. And she wants to make sure that as she moves forward in her position, that she shares that information so tribes can benefit from that. So that was pretty exciting as well. And another pretty interesting item is Colleen Thompson. She's a Pawnee and she lives in Seattle, Washington, and she's going to run for mayor. So a lot of people are stepping up and wanting to assume some responsibilities in their communities, and also to give some preference and recognition to Indian tribes. So again, that was exciting. And I want to give a shout out to Marlene Helgamo for organizing that. And I was co-host on a couple of the calls. So it's nice when other Indian women also have the opportunity to be the co-host as well. And of course, late afternoon yesterday, the White House issued a memorandum on tribal consultation and strengthening the nation-to-nation relationships. And so that directs the heads of the executive department and agencies of the Biden administration to conduct regular, meaningful, and robust consultation with Indian tribes. So that's pretty good. And we had regular meetings with President Obama when he was in office. He would host an annual meeting with all the tribal leaders, and we got to bring our issues forward. We got to meet and deal with members of the administration at that time. In these last 4 years, we haven't had that opportunity. So I look forward to a stronger relationship with the Biden administration. So that's pretty exciting. And again, there is what's called the Native American Congressional Internship. And we will have that information on the website. But what that is, it's a Native Nations Institute for Leadership, Management, and Policy. And it funds summer internships for American Indian and Native Alaskans, undergraduate, graduate, and law students who are committed to careers related to tribal public policy or supporting tribal communities. So that's kind of pretty cool. And then there is a place for 12 interns in the Senate, House, and the federal agency offices. So please, if you have an interest, would you look at that website and possibly make sure that you apply if that's something. And of course, there's the Mille Tribal Economy Cohort. It's an Enterprise Academy, and that starts on February 23rd. And that link will be on the website if you have a business idea. And this Enterprise Academy can help you work out a business plan and understanding how to move forward if you have an idea of business. And we need more small businesses in our area to address the needs of our community. So that's pretty cool as well. And again, as a reminder, Project Blue Light is this week. And so what that is to show support for all those that have worked in the coronavirus pandemic. And it's the frontline workers. And we always think of nurses, doctors, and other healthcare workers, but there are other frontline workers as well, such as the grocery store clerks, law enforcement, public works employees, and so many more. So again, a reminder about the February Elder Food Distribution. It is Wednesday, February 10th from 1 to 3 p.m. for District 1 and District 2A, which is Isle, Grand Casino, Mille Lacs, south side of the Convention Center, and District 2, the Community Center, and District 3, the Grand Northern Inn in the Hinckley parking lot. And of course, on the following day will be the Urban Office, and that is Thursday, February 11th. It's extremely cold out today, and of course, we're in our winter months and we should expect it, but it's always a shock when it does happen. And with that, have a good day today, keep warm, and always wear your mask when you have to go out. Miigwech, and I will talk to you soon.